it. Sharpener. I need this stuff.
What you got, Jaden? What is it?
Thank you, Dad. What's one of these eggs? Oh, free eggs. I can put my stuff in here. Whoa.
Jaden, what you got?
Good.
It's a pump action.
Ooh,
What's that? Where's your bat and your ball, Jaden? Where's your bat?
it's in the room with all this stuff. Well,
You got a carrot bat, dude?
another egg. What is this? Another sharpener? What is this? Pins?
They're crowns.
Oh, twist up crown. Yes, I like these toothbrushes. Well, oh, Lakers! My favorite basketball team. Book of coloring book. Ring pop. I got 2 ring pops. 2 nail lasers. 2 M&Ms. 1 sharpener. 3 nail lasers. 5 eggs.
What you got, Jaden? Look. Jaden, look. Look. Jaden, what's that? What is that? Oh, who did that? You did? That's pretty. Thank you, baby. I got a pretty rose.
And I got Lakers. Woo! Lakers rule. This is rainbow.
Jaden, what you got, dude?
Can I color?
Well, we gotta go to Grandma's first and go hunt for Easter eggs.
Okay.
Jaden, what you got? No, what you got, dude? Look.
Well, can I take the eggs out?
Yeah, you can take the eggs out. You can throw the grass away, too. You don't need it.
Here's the new eggs.
He's like, heck yeah, things to open, buddy.